Welcome, special educators, to this essential guide on supporting middle school students with mild specific learning disabilities, or SLD. This video aims to equip you with practical, classroom-ready interventions. Mild-level SLD in middle school often presents as discrepancies in academic achievement despite average intelligence, affecting approximately 4 to 6% of school-aged children in the U.S. Our goal is to empower you with strategies that help these students thrive academically, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and confidence. Understanding mild SLD begins with recognizing its characteristics. In reading or dyslexia, which accounts for 80% of SLD cases, students may exhibit slow reading rates, often 60 to 80 words per minute compared to 120 or more for peers. They also struggle with decoding multisyllabic words, showing error rates over 10%, and face challenges understanding advanced vocabulary. For writing or dysgraphia, common signs include difficulty organizing ideas, frequent spelling errors, and messy handwriting, often below the 15th percentile in fluency tests. Their compositions might be disorganized, with less than 3 complete sentences per paragraph, and they may struggle with proper sentence structure. In math or dyscalculia, affecting 5 to 7% of students, struggles include fractions, decimals, and multi-step problems, with error rates of 40 to 60%. They also face difficulties retaining procedures and retrieving basic math facts, often with less than 80% accuracy. Executive functioning deficits impact 70 to 90% of SLD students, leading to poor planning, time management, and a high rate of incomplete assignments, sometimes up to 50%. But remember, students with mild SLD can thrive academically with consistent supports. Evidence-based interventions, like those supported by What Works Clearinghouse, are key. Let's explore intervention strategies for reading. A structured literacy approach, such as Orton-Gillingham, validated in over 50 studies, is highly effective. Teach morphology, focusing on prefixes, suffixes, and roots, which can improve vocabulary by a 0.5 to 1.0 effect size. Allow audiobooks and read-aloud supports, as these can boost comprehension by 25%, according to the National Reading Panel. Utilize online reading tools to highlight text, making key information more accessible and reducing cognitive load. Teach summarizing using the Somebody Wanted But So Bad method, which improves recall by 35%. Provide guided reading sessions with Lexile-level texts, typically 600 to 900 L for middle school students with mild SLD, ensuring appropriate challenge and support. Now let's focus on writing interventions. Graphic organizers, such as mind maps, can increase essay length by 40% and improve quality by 1.2 standard deviations. Introduce sentence starters and paragraph frames to help students structure their thoughts and overcome writer's block. Allow typing instead of handwriting and encourage the use of spell check and speech-to-text tools, which can reduce errors by 50%. Give students checklists for revising their work, covering capital letters, punctuation, spelling, and clarity, fostering independent editing skills. Moving to math interventions, break problems into step-by-step visual sequences. The Concrete Representational Abstract, or CRA, sequence has a 1.3 effect size. Use manipulatives or virtual manipulatives for concept clarity, allowing students to physically interact with mathematical ideas. Provide formula charts and worked examples as references, reducing the burden of memorization and allowing focus on problem solving. Encourage repeated practice with real-life applications, such as money, time, and measurement, to make math relevant and engaging. Teach metacognitive strategies by prompting students with questions like, "What is the question asking?" and "What operation do I need?" which can improve accuracy by 28%. For executive functioning and study skills, teach students to use planners, color-coded notebooks, and subject folders, reducing missed assignments by 60%. Provide weekly goal-setting worksheets and break large assignments into daily mini-tasks, such as 10 to 15-minute segments, to make them more manageable. Utilize apps like reminders and timers for homework completion, leveraging technology to support time management. Common accommodations under IDEA 504 plans include extra time for tests, often 1.5 to 2 times the standard duration. Allow oral responses or alternative assessments, chunk instructions into 3 to 5 items, and provide preferential seating near the teacher. Implement visual schedules and consider a reduced homework load, such as a 50% reduction, to manage workload effectively. For teacher tips, maintain positive reinforcement with a 4-to-1 praise ratio to boost engagement by 20%. Communicate weekly with parents and caregivers, use simple, stepwise instructions, and encourage self-advocacy, teaching students "I need help with" scripts. With targeted interventions, 70 to 85% of mild SLD students achieve grade-level proficiency by high school. These students can grow into confident, independent learners. Your dedication makes all the difference.